Hello, my name is Neil Ferguson, owner of Seatbelt Planet. I would like to share a few things with you about our products and services. We manufacture hundreds of replacement style seatbelts that are guaranteed to fit your specific vehicle. While this is great for many of our customers, we don't have an aftermarket replacement solution for every vehicle as there are so many different ones out there. That is why we offer our Reweb service. A Reweb takes your existing seatbelt assembly and replaces the webbing with brand new high-quality webbing in your factory color or a custom color or design. Replacing your webbing is not only a great customization option to make your interior a special place, but also a great solution to aging or worn belts and solves the issue of frayed belts that no longer retract properly. Plus, your belts are often the germiest and dirtiest part of your vehicle and the hardest to clean properly, so replacement webbing has many benefits. Our Reweb service is very simple. First, pick your color. We have nearly 50 different colors in stock and are adding new colors all the time so we can match your current color, or we can help you customize your car by matching your exterior color, brake calipers, or any other feature you want to highlight. Next, remove your seatbelts and send them to us. This can be a little intimidating, but it's really quite easy. Remove a few panels held on with clips or screws and a few bolts holding the belts in. You can usually find more detailed instructions for your specific vehicle with a simple Google search. Some cars are a little more complicated, or some people just are not comfortable doing it themselves. In this case, Seatbelt Planet has pro partners all over the country who would be happy to help. Let us know and we will connect you. When we receive your seatbelts, we change out the webbing and send them back to you in a couple of days. Since we're a seatbelt manufacturer, all of our equipment is certified, and you can be confident that your seatbelt meets all federal motor vehicle safety standards. In fact, we sew a Seatbelt Planet tag into your seatbelt to let you know how confident we are in our work and to maintain the required traceability. If you have questions at any time, give us a call. We love seatbelts and are always excited to talk to you about your project. Seatbelt Planet, you can trust us with both your style and your safety.